Good day everyone, FX Lab here. So this will be the first ever page of this account. The reason I created this channel is to document my journey and especially my trades. So the good trades, the bad ones, and the lesson in between my trades. It's not about showing off wins, yung mga panalo lang. No, it's about showing the real classes, the ups and downs, and everything I learning as I go. So I'm a beginner trader, just starting out learning forex for about 1.5 years. And then today, I decided to purchase a instant funding account. So it's also one of the reasons that's why I created this channel, to document my trades in that instant funding account, my risk management, and my psychology. So I purchased instant funding account in Maven Market. So let's review the funding account. Ito yung kinuha kong funding account, instant funding, $5K yung buong account. They paid a fee of $29. Let's see their rates. A minimum withdrawal of 3%, which is $150. Trading drawdown, overall drawdown na 3%, and daily drawdown na 2%. Wala silang maximum trading days and minimum trading days. Meron silang consistency score na kailangan below or hindi tataas ng 20%. Meron tayong max open risk na 1%. So kapag nag-open ka ng trade, di dapat mag-exit yung stop loss mo, yung risk mo ng 1%. So our daily drawdown is equity based. For example, meron kang 5,000 account, nag-profit ka ng 50, then the next day ang computation na ng daily drawdown mo is kasama na yung $50 na profit. So minimum profit split, meron tayong 80% na profit split. Then payout frequency every 10 days. So this is my dashboard. Nag-purchase na ako ng instant funding account. Andito na siya. So ito yung dashboard natin. Yan yung balance natin, equity, then profit dito. And then ito yung loss natin. Diyan natin makikita. Then sa withdrawals natin, tignan natin. Pwede tayong mag-withdraw kung aabot tayo sa $150 sa May 8. So yun yung magiging so dito ako dito ako sa instant funding mag-trade. Tignan natin kung makakuha tayo ng withdrawal. So brief explanation about my strategy. I'm gonna be a trend follower. I'm gonna use market structure and moving average. My moving average is 20, 50, 100, and 200. So may trend confirmation. Gusto ko lang makita si market structure and EMA na in sync together. So for example, kita natin yung price, nag-change of character dito sa low. Then nakita natin sa moving average, pumasag sa 200, si 20 and 50 nag-cross. Sabihin, downtrend. So in sync na si EMA saka si market structure. Diyan ako papasok ng trades. Para ang entry position ko, gagamit ako ng Fibonacci. Kung nasa downtrend tayo, yung fib natin mula sa high, then hanggang dun sa low. So mag-entry lang ako sa 50%, then pretty much set and forget it. Set and forget, then check na lang later session kung tumama ba, nag-stop loss, take profit, na-miss ba yung trade. So hindi ganun kakomplikado. Yung gagamitin ko sa pag-trade ng instant funding account. So that's all for my introduction. If that sounds like your vibe, feel free to stick around and I'll be sharing my trades, thoughts, and hopefully some growth along the way. See you on Monday.